Hello and welcome back to my another quick tips and trick video. In this video I am going to share with you how to make a small ear watch. Actually I brought this watch from a local shop. You also might be brought the watch from a local shop, but always if you try to fit your watch in your hand, it's not fit properly. You might be need to reduce this size. So I will share with you how you can reduce your watch size in your home without going any watch shop or etc. So anyway, first of all, obviously if you want to remove this watch from your home, obviously you need to have these tools. These tools actually help you to reduce the watch size. It's very convenient, and you can also buy these tools from any online shops, or I actually bought this from an online shop which was cost me less than $1. So this will help you to whenever you buy any new watch, you can easily use this tool. So anyway, now let me share with you how you can reduce this watch chain using this tool. So first of all, this is my watch, and we'll see it has total two side. So this is one side and that is the another side. So we will put this size, you can see here, right over here, and then I will try to in the same hole, and then I will placement just like this. You can see I placement the hole. Now I will just screw in, and we will see this going to be removed. So you can see I just screw, and then I am going to unscrew, and then I will just push, and then you can see it's magically come out this screw. So I will just try to remove, just pull out, and now you can see I had to remove from this main watch. So now what I have to do, I will go again reduce mode. So I will just placement over here. Okay, you can just placement where you would like to. So I'm going to placement, I think I should remove from here this 3. So I will go again placement, and then I will just use this screw to removing this tray. So again I will just I scroll out, and then we will see it's removed. Now you can see I had removed total 3 chain from this watch, and now I will return back over on it. So I will just return just like this, and then what I have to do, I have to go on the other side just like this, and I will return back over on it. So this you have to of course make sure this side will so I will just use this remove return back. Now you can see I just return back, but it's still little bit there, so you have to use any small hammer you have. Just slowly put like this, and it's going to be returned back. You can see I had successfully just used this hammer to put inside back. Now you can see I had successfully reduced from this side total 3 pieces. So now I will go on the other side, and I will try to remove other 2 pieces. So same things. So what you have to do, you can see this the hole, it's the large, so you have to put over on it, and then properly placement. You can see I placement properly here, and then I will use this screw to removing. You can see, so not gonna just you have to use, put in the hole properly, and then do like this, and it's going to be come out. Again I am going to just scroll out, and then you can see it's came out. And then I would like to remove total two pieces. So I will just put over on it here, and then again I am just using this one, just like this. I will just use just like this. You can see I had to remove total two pieces. So now you can see I had successfully removed from this side also, and then I'm going to return back over on this watch. So I will use the same way. So I will take this the side, so I will just push inside with this screw just like this, and then I will use this hammer just lightly doing like this. It will go inside. Now you can see I had successfully reduced my watch size using these simple tools. You can see now, you can see it's coming very small. So this is how you can easily reduce your watch size from your home by using these simple tools. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.